Thank you for joining us on the RTO Superhero Podcast. Elevate your organisation's potential by becoming a part of our superhero membership community. Gain exclusive access to resources, training and support, all tailored for RTO professionals. Visit our website to join and start your journey towards compliance excellence today.
Hey there, superheroes. Welcome back to the RTO Superhero Podcast. It's me, Angela Connell-Richards, and I'm here to navigate you in the shifting landscape of compliance with confidence and clarity. Now, we're well into June, and with 1 July breathing down our necks, it's time we talk about one of the most critical and often misunderstood compliance areas under the new 2025 standards: trainer and assessor credentials. If you're feeling unsure about whether your team meets the new requirements or you're scrambling to pull together evidence ahead of an audit, this episode is for you. We're going to cut through the chaos and help you build a system that not only satisfies ASQA, but empowers your trainers too. Let's dive in. Why credentials are under the microscope in 2025. Let's start with the big picture. The new Credential Policy, which supports the 2025 standards. It's all about ensuring trainers and assessors have relevant current qualifications, are actively engaging in industry and professional development, can demonstrate both vocational competency and training and assessment capability. But here's the kicker. It's not just about having the right paperwork. It's about being able to show how it aligns to the units that they deliver. So if your trainer has a TAE from 2017 and no current industry engagement, or if their experience doesn't map to every unit that they're delivering, you could be at risk. This is no longer a set and forget situation. What the Credential Policy requires and what's changed. Let's talk about what's new. The 2025 Credential Policy outlines clearer, more detailed expectations for evidence of vocational competency, qualifications and current industry experience, currency in training and assessment, TAE upgrades, ongoing PD, trainer mapping into each unit of competency that they deliver, professional development in adult learning and learner support, evidence of understanding diverse learner cohorts, especially for CRICOS and specialised training. So what's changed? More emphasis on contextualisation. Can your trainer connect what they know to the cohort they're training? More explicit mapping. You must map your trainer's experience and quals to the individual units that they deliver, not just the qualification. More structured PD. Ad hoc doesn't cut it anymore. You need a clear PD plan and tracking mechanism. This is all about ensuring quality, not just ticking boxes. How to audit and map your trainer's credentials. Okay, let's get practical. If you're not sure where to start, here's my trainer credential audit process, the same one we use at Vivacity. Step 1. Collect everything. Ask your trainers to provide copies of qualifications and transcripts, resume and or recent employment verification, evidence of currency, e.g. payslips, letters from employers, contracts, TAE evidence and upgrade history, professional development activities, formal and informal. Step 2. Create a trainer profile. This is a summary of each trainer's vocational competency, training and assessment competency, industry currency, PD and professional engagement. Step 3. Map to units. Using our free trainer credential mapping template link. Each unit of competency on their current schedule. To their evidence or of experience, qualifications and industry knowledge. This creates a clear line of sight between their capabilities and what they're delivering. Step 4. Store everything in one place. Whether you use SharePoint folder, a Google Drive, ClickUp, or a compliance tracker, make sure it's all accessible, well organised, and version controlled. If ASQA shows up, you don't want to be digging around older emails or desktop folders. Documentation strategies that satisfy ASQA. Let's talk documentation. Here's what ASQA wants to see. Mapping evidence. Not just a general suitable to deliver this qual note, but actual mapped links to the unit level. Currency within the last 12 to 24 months, depending on the industry sector. PD evidence. Attendance of events, workshops, in-house PD, industry engagement, or shadowing. Assessment validation records. Trainers should be contributing to these as part of their PD. Reflective practice logs. These are becoming increasingly valuable and can demonstrate how trainers respond to learners' needs, feedback, and changes in content. Pro tip. Keep a short-form summary document for each trainer, like a one-pager that gives a high-level overview at audit time. Think of it like a trainer cheat sheet. Common credential compliance gaps to avoid. Now, I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't highlight the most common gaps I see in RTOs across Australia. Number 1, outdated TAE documentation. Some trainers never uploaded their TAE 40116 or TAE 40122 upgrades, or they're missing the LLND assessment design units. Number 2, old vocational experience. Trainers relying on experience from 5 years ago or more with no recent current industry experience. Not enough anymore. Number 3, no unit level mapping. Qualifications might look aligned at the qualification level, but ASQA wants alignment at the unit level. Number 4, missing PD logs. Many trainers attend conferences or PD but never formally record them. Number 5, trainers unaware of new requirements. If your team has had an internal briefing on the 2025 changes, they're likely operating on outdated assumptions. Get the free credential mapping template. To help you make sense of it all, I've created a free trainer credential mapping template. It includes columns for every required credential field, unit mapping sections, a built-in compliance check area, and guidance for what documents to attach for each requirement. You can download it at vivacity.com.au or get the link in the show notes. Use it as your internal audit tool or give it to your team as a fillable form. Either way, it'll save you hours and give you confidence ahead of any ASQA visit. So let's wrap this up. Trainer and assessor credentials aren't just a compliance checkbox. They're the foundation of your delivery training. By auditing regularly, mapping accurately, documenting clearly, and supporting your trainers through the changes, you can move from credential chaos to compliance confidence. Make this your team's priority over the next week or two, and you'll be ahead of the game. Download the template at vivacity.com.au. Share it with your staff, and let's get your trainer files audit-proof and aligned to the 2025 standards. Thanks again for joining me today. Next week, we're going to take a deep dive into scope expansions and why they're one of the fastest ways to trigger an audit in 2025. Until then, stay compliant and keep thriving.
Thank you for listening to the RTO Superhero Podcast. Ready to transform your compliance process? Discover Comply Hub, Vivacity's AI-powered compliance management system, designed to streamline your operations and give you peace of mind. Visit our website to learn more and schedule your demo today.